You get into your car, switch on an engine, and put on a map on your GPS and just drive to your location. This was not the case 30 years back, and for you to get this GPS, hundreds of people have to lose their lives. In the 1980s, a Korean aircraft, Not 7, flew from New York to Seoul. On the way, it stopped in Alaska for refueling, and once it took off, there was a bit of a confusion between the air traffic control and the pilot, due to which the flight, which was supposed to fly only on the international airspace, made a deviation into the Russian airspace. The Russian missile system was alerted immediately because this was the Cold War period time, and the Russians highly believed that US is either going to attack them or he's sending a spy aircraft. The Korean Airlines Not 7 went back to international airspace but again re-entered into Russian airspace. The Russians scrambled their jets to have a quick view on the flight. The pilots confirmed that it's a passenger aircraft, but the Russian intelligence thought that the US might have disguised one of the military aircraft as a passenger aircraft to spy on Russia. The order was given, the surface-to-air missile hit the passenger aircraft, which blew up into a ball of fire. Russia denied shooting down the aircraft for quite some time, but the US had concrete proof when debris were washed ashore the coast of Korea and Japan. After this incident, the US president ordered that the GPS, which was only being used for military purpose, should be opened up for civilian usage. The GPS was first introduced into aircrafts, then into cars, and now into your phone. So next time when you use a GPS, think about those 100 people who lost their life because of whom you are now driving safely.